Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today we are gonna make a savory protein pancake that resembles a small margherita pizza. Well, sort of margherita, but equally delicious. It's high in protein and we are not gonna use any oil. And it's very easy to make. So if you happen to be tired of just drinking your protein powder every day, try make this. Now let's get started. First, let's mix the batter base. The key ingredient is this, unflavored whey protein powder. We need 20 grams of this. Then, 15 grams of almond flour. This amount is the healthy nutty fat you need in a day. It actually helps you burn fat, and it makes the pancake taste better. But if you are allergic to nuts, you can replace it with normal wheat flour. Your pancake will still taste nicely. Okay, then 35 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And these 4 ingredients combined are my batter base for all protein pancakes. And for today's recipe, that is enough. We don't need to add anything else. All the flavors are gonna be in the toppings. Now, we mix all of them thoroughly. When it's well mixed, put it aside. Now we can prepare the liquid. We need 85 milliliters of whole milk. Then, 5 milliliters of lemon juice to balance its flavor. So, in total we have 90 milliliters of liquid. Mix the liquid with powders, then stir. After it's nicely mixed, pour it onto a plate. Now we need to preheat this batter a little bit to make it set a little, so that it can hold everything on it. We can do this easily in the microwave. Put a pot holder under the plate. This will make it easy to get out of the microwave. Then, microwave it at max power for half a minute in a normal 900 watts microwave. Or for 1 minute if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. After the preheating, you can see the batter already set slightly. Now we can put the cherry tomatoes on it. I'm using this many, 15. They are usually around 165 grams. This is how much the pancake can hold. Use your knife to cut each one a little. This way they don't explode in your microwave and make a mess there. I'm using cherry tomatoes here instead of the larger ones because I don't need to cut them into pieces and make a mess of tomato juice everywhere. Anyway, place them in the center. Then, scatter 2 generous tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt onto them. When I say 2 generous tablespoons, I mean more than 2 tablespoons. The unsweetened yogurt here is to replace mozzarella. They still somewhat contribute the same thing to the flavor profile, but we are eating far less fat and calories this way. Okay, then scatter 1 teaspoon of dry basil leaves on everything and everyone. I know margherita pizzas use fresh basil, but this way is much easier for most people to make, and they taste good still. Okay, now everything is where they should be. It's ready for the microwave. Microwave it at max power for 12 minutes in a normal 900 watts microwave, or for 15 minutes if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. If you still worry about the tomatoes splashing inside your microwave, get one of those microwave lids to cover your dish. Okay, 12 minutes later, the pancake is thoroughly cooked. We have turned the tomatoes into tomato paste. Now, they don't taste like the watery fruits anymore. They taste like the sauce you would see on a real pizza. And now, scatter 1/4 teaspoon of salt on everything. That's the final seasoning. You can already eat this pancake like this. But there is one problem. Nothing on the pancake is browned, so not that appetizing, because microwave just doesn't brown things. So, to make it perfect, I'll use an air fryer to brown it real quick. To transfer the pancake, first shovel the edge all around. Then, you can easily shuffle the whole thing up. Okay, there is an accident. Too much residual on the plate. This sometimes happens when you make something this watery. But anyway, put it into the air fryer. Heat it at 200 degrees Celsius or around 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And this plate, if you don't want to wash it now, put it on the water. Then it will be easy to clean when you get back to it. 5 minutes later, our little margherita pancake is nicely browned. The final product. Now, time for the nutrition facts. Each one of these has around 406 kcal of calories, 30 grams of protein, 40.5 grams of carbs, 14 grams of fat, and 651.5 milligrams of sodium. It's a simple recipe, but superbly delicious and hearty. And it's much easier to make than the conventional pizza. So try it, it's really good. And that's the recipe of today. I have put all the statistics down below in the description. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, welcome to follow me on Instagram. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy cooking, take care!